There are four fundamental states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. All four are used in everyday life. But let's take a look closer at each of them on their own.
That maintains fixed volume and shape. Particles within a matter of solid are tightly compacted together into one spot. They generally do not move but may vibrate some. Solids can be hard like rock, soft like fur, big like an asteroid, or even small as a grain of sand. The key is that solids hold their shape, and solids and their molecules are tightly compacted together in a regular pattern. Here we have ice, which is an example of a solid. What we will be conducting is an experiment that will be melting the ice.
And when a solid melts, it turns into the liquid state of matter. A liquid is a consistency like that of water or oil, flowing freely, but of a constant volume. The molecules in a liquid state are compressed almost as tightly as those of matter in a solid state. The molecules in a liquid can move freely among each other. This makes liquid take the shape of its container, like water in a cup or oil in an oil can. But when you heat a liquid up to a boiling point, then a liquid will start to evaporate.
Vaporization is the transition from a liquid to a gas. This particular type of vaporization that we see here is called boiling. And it's creating water vapor right here, which is the type of gas. Although a gas can be a single element such as argon or helium, or it can be a compound like this one, which is H2O. A gas has no definite volume or shape because the molecules are far apart and move around freely. Sublimation is when a gas turns directly into a solid, and deposition is the opposite, which is a solid directly to a gas. In the air, there are different types of pure gases. This is called a gas mixture. A gas is the state of matter between liquid and plasma. Elemental gases are gases that only consist of one element at standard temperature and pressure. Gases are so important in our daily lives, like the air we breathe. The power for our cars come off the pressure of the gas released in the pistons and the atmospheric layers that protect us from the sun. They even make up entire planets, such as Neptune and Saturn.
Plasma is one of the four fundamental states of matter, the others being solid, liquid, and gas. A plasma has properties unlike those of the other states. A plasma can be created by heating a gas or subjecting it to a strong electromagnetic field applied with a laser or microwave generator. This decreases or increases the number of electrons, creating positive or negative charged particles, and is accompanied by the dislocation of molecular bonds, if present. Plasma is the most abundant form of ordinary matter in the universe, most of which is including the stars and the sun. A common form of plasmas on Earth is seen in neon signs.